Ayan. So, again, ito yung star natin. That's the pentagram. Hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung formula ng pang regular polygon kasi meron tayong angle na below 180 and meron tayong angle na above 180. So, hindi siya nag-fall sa definition ng regular polygon na equiangular. So, for this sample, medyo iba yung gagamit natin strategy. So, let's first get a portion ng star. Na natin ng konti. Okay. So, take note, yung portion na yan, this one, is equals to other portion ng star. Bakit? So, meron siyang 10 portion. First one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10. So, kung napansin nyo or nag-google nyo na yun, the silent star formation, or basta google mo lang LaSalle star, yan yung concept niya. Medyo hindi lang mukhang pare-pareho yung drawing ko but those are same, equal siya dapat. So let's start first with getting the angle. So kapag kinat mo tong portion na to, makakuha ka ng triangle pero wala kang mga angle kahit isa. Ang una natin gagawin, since meron naman naka-circle siya, we could simply get an angle from the parts of this star. So, to start first with yung buong circle, alam natin na ang isang ikot niyan, that is ito yun from 0 to this, that is 360 degrees. So, since meron tayong 5 cut ng star, namely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, therefore, makakakuha tayo ng isang angle na to. Okay. Pareho lang siya. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, at pala meron pa dito. So, yun. So, 5 siya. So, 360. So, therefore, ang isang portion na to, I think you can call this theta 1. Okay. So, si theta 1 is equals to 360 degrees divided by 5. So, pag kinalculate natin 360 divided 5, we could get 72 degrees. Next. So, since meron na tayong 72 degrees, makakuha na natin itong portion na to. Let's call this theta 2. So, si theta 2 is 72 degrees divide by 2. So, makakuha tayo ng 36 degrees. So, paano yung kulang pa rin? Kung pansin nyo, itong portion na to is also equal to, itong portion na to is equal to this. Okay. So, sa trigo, kung ma-recall nyo sa high school, shortcut na natin. Okay. So, itong portion na to, this one is 36. Okay. So, isu-shortcut ko, kung, kasi supposedly this concept is already taught in high school, pero kung gusto nyo maturo, isend ko sa inyo yung video, bakit naging 36 yan. Kasi nga, itong mga corner na to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is equals to 180. Again, hindi ko na ipapakita dito kasi dapat naturo na yan, pero okay lang. I'm willing to teach, pero kasi para hindi humaba yung video, yun, 180 yun. I can give additional link sa inyo kung gusto matutunan. Sir, paano nakuha 36 yan? Aba naman, baka nalimutan na. Okay lang yun. Tuturo ko sa inyo. So yun, so going back. So since 36 ito, meron tayo itong theta 3. So siya ay 36 degrees divide 2 equals siya sa 18 degrees. So, meron na tayong mga angle nitong triangle. May nawawala pa pala. Itong portion na to. I-redraw ko So, yung triangle natin, meron na tayong theta 3, theta 2. Ang nawawala natin ay, let's call this theta 4. Okay. Pwede nyo gamitin alpha, beta, yung ibang mga tawag dyan, pero ako mas gusto ko yung theta tapos may subscript lang. Okay. So, paano natin makahanap yung theta 4? Ba't kailangan hanapin yung theta 4? Siyempre, para po natin yung area. Okay. So we could solve theta 4 by solving this triangle, no? So, let's call this triangle A, B, C. So, ito yung, recall ito yung center natin. So, from triangle ABC. So, ano yun? Again, ang interior angle niya, that is 180 degrees. So, we have theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4. So, yun. Matik yan. So, 180, substitute mo lang yung value ng 2. We have 36 degrees. Plus theta 3 of 18 degrees. Plus theta 4. Ayan na. Algebra na lang to. So, transpose natin. 36 on this side. So, itong 18 sa kabilang side din. Makukuha natin 180 degrees minus 36 degrees minus 18 degrees. Equals natin sa theta 4. So, ang theta 4 natin, makukuha natin as 180. Hinakit ko talaga para sure. Minus 36 minus 80. So, your theta 4 is 126 degrees. Okay. So, ngayon, paano na makukuha yan? Ang kinukuha naman natin ngayon is si A. Ba't kailangan ko ni si A? Kasi, gamitin natin siya sa formula mamaya ng kinuha natin to sa as angle. Pero mamaya, kailangan natin makuha si length A para magamit natin sa formula ng triangle. Pero if may iba kayong mga method to calculate the area of the triangle using other methods, basta valid okay lang naman. So, in order for us to get line A, gagamit tayo ngayon ng sine law. So, we have angle ABC and length ABC. So, para magamit natin yung sine law, A is equals to sine A equals to B over sine B equals C over sine C. So, yan, para ma-recall natin. So, gamit tayo ngayon ng sine law. So, ano yung katapat ni A? Ang katapat ni A ay C theta 3, no? So, A is over theta 3 equals to, ano na naman yung, ano nito? We have here R. Bakit R yan? Kasi, ito yun ito yung R. So, siya yung pinaka-radius nung circle natin. Okay. Naka-record ba ako? Ayan, naka-record pala ako. Okay. So, ngayon, R is over sine pa na. Ito pala. Kalimutan. Sine. Tapos, sine theta 4. Again, paano nakuha si A over sine theta 3? Ang katapat ni A ay itong theta 3. Ang katapat naman, bakit si R ay kay sine 4? Ang katapat ni R ay si theta 4. Okay. So, makukuha na natin yung ngayon. A is equals to sine 18 equals to 20. Ang ating R, ano yung R natin? 6. Tama ba? O, 6 nga. 6 over sine 126. So, paano natin susolve yan? A equals to 6. Simplify mo natin to si, itong portion na to. So, 6 over sine 126. So, makakuha ka ng 7.416. So, ngayon, pwede mo na siyang i-transfer sa kabila. So, multiplied by sine 18 degrees. So, ang A mo ngayon is sine 18. Kinalagyo ko sa labas, hindi dito sa apa. So, sine, again, degrees degrees dapat, 18 times 7.416. Makuha natin ay times 7.416. 2.29. Okay. Ano na sunod ngayon? So, since may A na tayo, makakapag-solve tayo ng area ng triangle. So, si area ABC, use the formula 1/2 AR sine theta. That's the formula of the triangle. So, 1/2 A is 2.29. Ang radius or R is 6 times sine. Ang ginamit na sine, 36. Okay. So, solving for that, sine 36 is equals to 0.5877 times 6 times 2.29 times 1/2 or divide 2 natin. So, makakuha ka ng 4.038. So, since meron ka ng area ng pairs panel, to, times 10 mo na lang siya. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, A times 10, o area is 10 times 4.038. Area equals to 40.38. So, going back, ang sagot sa kanya ay 40.38 square meters. Okay. Next, let's talk about quadrilaterals. I think nabanggit ko na tong quadrilaterals on some portion sa pagkuha natin ng volume last time sa classroom. So, pag rectangle, area equals base times height. Yung diagonal niya is square root of height times base. Square root of height squared plus base squared. Then we have the square. Napakasimple. Area is s squared or length times width. So, since s naman yan, same variable. And the diagonal is 1/2 or square root of 2s. And then, we have the parallelogram. The first type is this one. Area is equal to base times height. The second one, kapag ang given ay yung dalawang side and the height, A, plus given din yung theta, no? So, ano yun parallelogram? Again, baka pareho lang to, no? So, yun yung angle niyan. The third one is the given naman yung diagonals niya. We have the diagonal 1, the diagonal 2, tapos yung interior angle nilang dalawa. So, 1/2 d sub 1, length yan d sub 2 times sine theta. And then we have the trapezoid. Ang trapezoid, dalawang base. Base 1, base 2 times height. So, area equals to base sub 1, the first base plus the second base over 2 times height. So, find the area of a trapezoid whose median is 54 centimeters and whose altitude is 8 centimeters. So, pansin nyo, ito siya. Ito yung trapezoid natin. Kailangan lang natin ay midpoint. So, therefore, this one is, since 8 dyan, 4 cm, 4 cm to. Okay. So, we have here the H. Sorry. Pala, ito. 54 centimeters daw to. Itong portion na to. So, let's call the sides A, B, C, D, E, F. So, si E, F daw ay 54 centimeters. Paano natin susolve? Ang formula natin dyan is A equals to B1 plus B2 over 2 times the height. Okay? Or 1/2. So, i-rewrite natin yung formula. So, 1/2 AB plus DC times height. Okay. Ito yan length niya. Length ni AB, length ni DC. Ngayon, since given yung si EF daw, siya ay 1/2 ni AB plus DC. Bakit? Kasi average siya AB plus DC, yung pinaka-midpoint niya. Provided na trapezoid yan. So, therefore, pwede mong i-substitute si EF kamo, ito. Ibahin ko yung kulay si EF, ito siya. So, ito rin si EF. So, therefore, pwede mo siya makalculate as this one. A equals to EF times height. Okay? Again, sinabstitute natin. Ito siya, nilagyan natin dito. Kaya, pwede natin gamitin yung formula na to. We could use the formula. Okay, so area equals, ang EF niya ay 54. Since given naman yung height, we could simply use the 8. Okay. So, medyo madali lang siyang isipin, pero, yun yung concept. Bakit ganyan kasimple siya. Okay. Kasi baka mag-work kayo, ba't naging ba't ganon? So, 54 times 8 lang natin. So, meron kang 432. Okay. So, ito siya. Okay. Yan, 432. Next, other quadrilaterals, we have rhombus. Given si side and height, so area equals to HS. Almost the same siya ng concept kay dun sa kanina. Then, same din, we have area, S squared sine theta. Si rhombus kasi pare-pareho yung side niya. Okay, kanina hindi. Ito naman, pareho din ito. And then, given yung angle niya. And then, last one, ang given naman ay ang given, ito namang diagonal. Okay? So, area 1/2 D sub 1, D sub 2. Siya yun. Take note perpendicular to. Okay? Pati yung kanina, perpendicular dapat. Hindi pala. Ayan, perpendicular dapat to. So, again, area H times S kapag given ng side length and height. Area S squared sine theta kapag given ng side length and the angle. And this one, 1/2 D sub 1 times D sub 2 kapag given yung dalawang length ng diagonal provided na perpendicular siya. For this example, the length of the side of a rhombus is 10 centimeters. If its shorter diagonal is a length of 12 centimeters, what is the area of the rhombus? Okay, so we could simply solve that. So first, let's draw the rhombus. So here we have thou 10. And the shorter side is and thou ay 12. Okay. And the longer side is missing. But take note that um, dapat naka-perpendicular tong dalawang to. Always remember that. For rhombus, perpendicular to. Okay. So therefore, we have here 6. Kasi nga 12 yung given. And then the missing x. Okay. So, the first step is, ayan, nalabel na natin yung sides. Again, given yung 10. The shorter side is 12. Definitely this one is the longer side. It's supposed to be bigger than 12. So, let's denote this as x for the mean sign. Let's isolate this portion. Okay. So, yan. So, you'll get, again, always remember this one is 90 degrees. Okay, based sa formula natin. And then we have here the 10 and then 6. So from there, we could use SOHCAHTOA. Okay, i-sign doon natin. Okay. So for this portion, since meron ka namang, we're looking for this portion na, this x1. You're looking for x palagi. Not all the time. It's not always necessary to look for x. But for math, of course, we have to look for x. Okay? So, para ma-solve natin to, given si hypotenuse and si opposite. So, we're looking for this angle. Okay? So, hanapin mo natin si angle. So, angle is, ano yung pwede natin gamitin? Again, I'm gonna rewrite as SOHCAHTOA, sine opposite over hypotenuse, cosine adjacent over hypotenuse, TOA is tangent over adjacent. So, ano yung pwede natin gamitin? We have the opposite over hypotenuse, so SOH. Okay? You could also use sine law. Yung 90, length over the theta and length over the theta. Kasi yung katapatan niya. Okay. So, for this instance, we're gonna use SOHCAHTOA. So, for this, sine theta, the missing one, denote this as theta 1, no? Baka kasi gusto nyo hanapin itong taas. So, theta 1 equals to opposite, which is 6, sorry. And then, hypotenuse of 10. Again, dito galing yan na. This one is the opposite, this one is the hypotenuse. So, to simplify that, again, double check your calculator, should be on degrees. Hindi ko na magamit dito, wala kasing, ayan, wala pala siyang, may cycle siya pag malaki. Kaya lang pag nakaganyan, wala, pang tindahan. Alright, so, with this, theta 1 is equals to arc sine over 0.6. So, with that, you could get, kayo na mag-calculate. Nagka-calculate ako dito. So, we have the theta 1 is equals to 36.86. So, decimal place muna natin. So, since meron na tayong theta 1, we could now finally get this. Ano pwede natin gamitin? We could either choose between the hypotenuse or the opposite. So, I think I'll use this one. So, we'll use cosine. So, cosine theta 1 equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Siya yung nawawala, ha? So, x. Okay. So, with that, cosine 36.869 equals to nawala ako, x. Kasi yung nawawala. Over ngayon, hypotenuse 10. Okay. So, we simplify that. So, we have cosine that we have 0.8 times 10 equals x. So, ang galing yun. 0.8 is cosine 36.869. This one, nilipat natin dito sa kabilang side na equation. So, 0.8 times 10, napakasimple, 8. X equals to 8. Okay. So, ngayon may sagot na tayo dito. This one is 8. We could now use the formula for the rhombus. Okay. So, A equals to 1/2 12 times 16 12 times 16. So, we have 96. So, yan yung sagot sa area ng rhombus. Nawala yung nahanap ko. So, the answer is 96 square centimeters. Okay.